Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you this one. It's kind of one that everybody's been waiting for, and it is a 2025 veranda. It has a patio. It's absolutely stunning, everything about it, so I'm excited. We'll go from the outside in, like normal, but you guys let me know what you think of this, because I think it is beautiful. So let's go. 2025 32 veranda is the model. It's a SALEM. You've got a long awning right here, beautiful windows all the way down. You've got a nice long slide right there. It is a water tankless on-demand water heater, which is great. And then it has a patio at the back, which will go in from the inside, but I wanted to show you. I love this thing. It's so beautiful. I love the sliding glass door. There's a gate right here. All right, let's take a look. Absolutely stunning. So, we've got our kitchen with a nice big sink right here, and then you've got plenty of cabinet space. Now this is actually the magnets really work. Trash can, which I love because it's out of the way, and then you've got storage, more storage, cabinets up above, it goes all the way back. You got a 3-burner, you got your oven, and you do have your microwave. I love this little thing. I got super excited when they came out with it. I have not seen it before, so it was really exciting. So you also have a nice big fridge. Plenty of space here. Nice and big with a huge pantry right next to it. Love the design, like the door and everything. And then you have a nice breakfast table. It's just another place to have counter space, really. But I love that it is a breakfast table. You have somewhere to sit, and it's so stunning. It's hard surface top, so I absolutely love it. You got these beautiful windows right here. And then you have your entertainment and living space over here on this side. And these couches are super, super comfy. I absolutely love them. And then you've got a huge fireplace. You've got little shelves right here. I love these. Nice big entertainment can fit over here. And then you have your sliding glass door through here to the back patio. Some chairs out here, which are also for the breakfast table. You got a griddle, counter space, sink. And then you've got these right here. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. Nice fridge out here. And then you've got more counter space out here. Or excuse me, more space underneath right there. You've got LED lights up here, speakers out here. Absolutely love it. And then this is your gate to go out as well. Absolutely, I love this thing. I know I say that all the time, but it's beautiful. All right, let's go to the back. All right, down here we have a beautiful bathroom. First of all, look at the archway, love it. Nice big shower. And then you've got plenty of space here to do your thing. You got storage underneath as well. Cabinets and cubbies right here. Woo, my hair. I love the light behind the mirror right here, and I love the cut. Absolutely beautiful. And you do have some counter space right here, which is really nice. And then you have your master bedroom, which you have a king size bed. You have steps to go up. So once this is pulled down, which there's a button that brings it down, you have steps to go up on this side, which is really nice. Plus cubbies on both sides, lights, storage area, and more over here. But you also have a closet. Now this does have a washer and dryer hookup as well, but you don't have to use it for that. I mean, you can use it for whatever you like. Clothes, more storage, or washer and dryer. Absolutely beautiful. I love the space that you get in here, but this is gonna go so fast. This is an absolutely stunning unit. I'm super excited to show my customers. So if you have any questions, if you want us to come and see it, let me know, okay? My information is down below. You can call, text, email, come see me, ask for Rachel. All right, until next time.